Have you ever walked away from a conversation with a strange feeling, like somehow you were there, but not really seen? You spoke. You contributed. You tried to connect. Yet people seemed more interested in everyone else. They interrupted you. Forgot what you said. Ignored your ideas. And after a while, you started wondering, what's wrong with me? But here's the surprising truth. Most of the time, people don't ignore you because they dislike you. They ignore you because of subtle psychological signals you're sending without realizing it. Signals that quietly tell the brain, this person can be filtered out. And the most shocking part, many of these behaviors happen completely subconsciously. Today we're uncovering the hidden psychology behind why people stop paying attention. And the subtle habits that may be making you invisible without you even knowing it. The problem: being ignored hurts more than most people realize. Psychologists have discovered that social exclusion activates many of the same brain regions involved in physical pain. In other words, your brain experiences rejection almost like an injury. That's why being overlooked in a meeting, ignored in a relationship, or forgotten in a social group can feel surprisingly painful. Yet many people assume the problem must be something obvious. Maybe they're not attractive enough, not intelligent enough, not interesting enough. But human attention doesn't work that way. People don't consciously decide who matters. Their brains make thousands of tiny judgments every second. And many of those judgments happen automatically. The psychology behind it. 1. You signal hesitation. Imagine someone beginning every sentence with, maybe this is stupid, but I don't know if this makes sense. This might be wrong. Before people even evaluate the idea, they evaluate the confidence behind it. Psychologists call this authority signaling. The brain often uses confidence as a shortcut for credibility. When you constantly soften your own opinions, others unconsciously do the same. They begin treating your words as less important. Not because your ideas are bad, but because your behavior suggests they should. 2. You make yourself too predictable. The human brain is designed to notice novelty. Anything unexpected grabs attention. Anything predictable fades into the background. Think about someone who always reacts the same way. Always agrees. Always plays it safe. Always says what everyone expects. Eventually people stop paying attention. Not because they dislike them, but because the brain has categorized them as familiar information. And familiar information gets filtered out. 3. You over-accommodate others. This one surprises most people. Kindness is attractive, but excessive accommodation often isn't. When you constantly prioritize everyone else's needs, never disagree, never express preferences, and always adjust yourself to fit others, you accidentally communicate something dangerous. You communicate that your presence isn't valuable enough to take up space. People begin assuming your thoughts, needs, and opinions are optional. 4. You appear emotionally disconnected. Research in social psychology shows people remember emotions more than facts. You can say something brilliant, but if your delivery lacks emotional energy, people quickly forget it. Humans connect through emotional signals. Excitement, curiosity, passion, conviction. Without those signals, your words become background noise. 5. You fear taking social risks. Many people who feel ignored are actually highly self-aware. They constantly monitor themselves, analyze every sentence, replay conversations, worry about judgment. Ironically, this often makes them less noticeable, because attention requires participation, and participation requires risk. The people who get remembered are usually willing to speak before they're perfectly ready. Real-life examples. Think about a workplace meeting. One employee quietly shares a good idea, then immediately follows it with, "But maybe that's not important." Moments later, another employee confidently presents a weaker idea. Guess which one gets remembered? Or think about social gatherings. One person spends the entire evening adapting to everyone else, agreeing, nodding, never expressing preferences. By the end of the night, nobody really knows who they are. Not because they're boring, because they never revealed themselves. The hidden insight. Here's what most people never realize. Attention isn't earned by demanding it. It's earned by creating psychological presence. Presence isn't loudness. It isn't dominance. And it isn't arrogance. Presence is the ability to communicate. I believe my thoughts deserve space. People who consistently receive attention aren't always smarter. They're often simply better at signaling value. Their body language says it. Their voice says it. Their behavior says it. And the human brain responds automatically. Practical applications. The next time you enter a conversation, stop apologizing before speaking. Avoid minimizing your ideas. Allow yourself to disagree respectfully. Speak slightly slower. Maintain eye contact a little longer. Express genuine emotion when discussing something important. Most importantly, stop treating your own opinions as less important than everyone else's. Because people often learn how to value you by watching how you value yourself. At the beginning of this video, we asked a difficult question. Why do some people feel invisible? The answer isn't usually that they lack intelligence, or personality, or worth. More often, they've unconsciously learned behaviors that tell the world, "You don't need to pay attention to me." The good news: anything learned can be unlearned. Because the moment you become aware of these hidden patterns, you stop being controlled by them. And maybe the real question isn't, why do people ignore me? Maybe it's, what signals am I teaching people to see? Think about that. Because awareness is where every psychological transformation begins.